This is a demo of Quatrefoil, which is a Three.js project. You can see from the screen, it's just 3D elements. And I click on this one, it shows this piece, and if I click on the list, it shows a to-do list like this. And I can toggle the status to remove the item. You may also notice this one, this button. This button is what can I say? Yeah, it's a component. It's wrapped in component. It looks strange, but I want to demo that so the animation is generated from my framework. Yeah, I should call it a framework. Let's see the code. Well, so in the files in closure script, yeah. So since we are going to read about the fade in out, fade in out. So to define a component, fade in out component, it's just very simple. Use it here. So this the back component is wrapped with fading out component, and the fading out component is actually quite simple. It's as you see here, it's some functions I defined above, and here, yeah, you can see an instant here. It's instant. It's roughly like this. Its presence, its a value, and fact velocity. Yeah, these two things, and by comparing it to 1000, I get a number which can be used to be scaled. Yeah, I think the scale is strange, but it works. It works. I just want to demo it, and and to define animation, you just define the declaratively, like on the time in its time, it's 0 and 1, and on amount time it's 1000 and 1 and minus 1 and negative 1. Yeah, and on remove it's remove 1. When it's removed, it's it's 0. It's 0 is it can be removed because it's animating away. It's fading away. It's fade to 0, and it's unmounted. I want to say that. And on every tick, just each frame, just yeah, next presence, just add the vector, add the velocity, and the time elapsed. They are multiplied and added to the instant, added to the presence value. So this is a declarative way of writing animations, which I demonstrated in commodity project. Which is developed quite some time back. Anyway, this is not Kumolit. This is just substrate design like Kumolit. It's not even finished, but I can see here it's working. It's working now. So and what I mean here is you can see from the logs it's animating, and it will stop. So the animation state is generated in the framework itself. It's not CSS like it's not like CSS. Yeah, that's mostly I want to say. So let me just conclude. So, so CSS animation is generated from my framework. So imagine you can write animations in this way, even though there's a lot of state to manage, like I demonstrated in the commodity project before. I can implement nearly the same code in Quatrefoil to animate the 3D elements, just like I did in Canvas, only in Canvas. So the problem here is just described in my last screenshot, a screencast, that it's not simple to change these things, change the text, change the scale, change the opacity, and more importantly, not all 3D elements can be wrapped into object 3D object. That may sound weird, but it's the problem I'm facing in writing this library. I can always add to the list, but adding some animations and text change is not that easy, even like radius or whatever things like that. Anyway, this is a demo. Thanks for watching. If you are interested, you can search Comolit and find it on GitHub. All the code is here. No, this not this one. Comolit. Yeah. Thanks for watching.